And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest HG for the Cosmic Era line. We have the HGCE Z'gok Seed Freedom version. And yes, this is still from the Gundam Seed Freedom movie. And as you can see here in the box art, we see the Z'gok Seed Freedom version rising from, I think, what's to see is the battlefield where Kira in the strike freedom in the rising freedom Gundam already fallen because he was betrayed by the guys from what was it name again, yeah, from Foundation, yes, from the battle from the Black Knight Squad, shi-ve-a. So yep, that's what's in the box art, and this is Catherine Zala piloting it and rescuing Kira out of the blue. So that's this. And off to the side, we can see here yet it has also the seed action system. And then it also comes with the same backpack from the uh, Justice Infinity Spec 2. And yes, as we have seen, and spoiler alert if you have not yet seen, a scene in the movie, it houses the Immortal Justice Spec 2. And of course, coming in on another kit is this one that completes the whole look of the figure. Yep. Off to the side, yep, Z'gok Seed Freedom, some information about the kit, and then the movie. So again, let's see what's inside the box. So first off is one bag with two screws, one all black, one all pink, a small sheet, another bag containing all black and all grays, another bag containing multiple colors, all red, and of course, yeah, if you see that, that's the backpack of the Mortal Justice Spec 2, and another bag with all red, all gray, and multicolored. And instruction manual is a booklet type, same as Rising Freedom, Strike, Mighty Strike Freedom, and Color and Immortal Justice Spec 2. And yes, since it already has been shown that this houses the Immortal Justice Spec 2, if you bought it, you can replace the torso that you're going to build here with the Infinite Justice Gundam Spec 2. Immortal Infinite, sorry. Right, and also you're going to have a second backpack again. Yeah, you're going to have this guy again. We're going to have the Volantes, another one. Okay, let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, so first off, we have the A1 sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We see some pink, we see some clear red, clear sparkly red that is. We see some clear pink and some white. And yes, this is very Infinite Justice. Alright. It also comes with an A2, which is again a multicolored sprue, this time including yellow for the VPN. Some whites, again, same part and same sparkly red. B sprue here is all pink. This is entirely for the Z'gok and includes the damaged version of the Z'gok head. Too bad no color separation for this one. So yeah, you have to paint it, or otherwise I don't know what you're going to do. C1 is a dark red, kind of like crimson, yeah, crimson color, more for Z'gok. And C2 also has that same crimson deep red color. It This kit comes with two these screws, as you can see here, yeah, two. So this is dark gray, and yeah, I see some parts for the Z'gok and some parts where the foot of the Infinite Justice Spec 2 can rest on. It also has an E1, more parts for the Z'gok, and here you can see the body and for some inner framings and stuff. And then we have the E2, which is now some parts of the Infinite Justice Spec 2 here, built for the wings of the Volantes. F1 is strictly for the Volantes and still from the Infinite Justice Spec 2. And F2 as well is for the Volantes and from Infinite Justice Spec 2 also. And yes, it comes with a very small sticker sheet just for the eyes of the Gundam. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the latest HGCE Z'gok Seed Freedom version. And yes, this is piloted by Ashton Zala from Terminal, and he used this to save Kira against the Black Knight Squad shi-ve-a. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, hitting the subscription bell, and until next time, see you and thank you.